Hello, this video about how to create a form with properties of one item, for example, product properties. Now you can see the card with product properties and you can change the data here and save it. The data source for this form is a dictionary products. Now you can see its attributes and items, our products with their properties. Let's create this form. Open constructor and add elements. The first is container for our elements. Let's add the title, product properties, the next element is product name. It's a text field. The next one is product group. It's a drop-down list. Let's set the name product group. The next one is tag box for our property produced. The next one is image. Next is unit cost to input unit cost for our product. The next one is text field size. Let's set the name and push apply. The next one is drop-down list to input materials. The next one is select element to mark colors of our product. Text field for description. And calendar element for production start date. And one button, save. Okay, let's add the gap, 10 pixels gap between our elements. Great. Now we should add data sources for our element. Our data sources are products dictionary, product groups, materials, and colors. We should find out identifier of our dictionaries and add data source, add template dictionary. Let's set the name, products, and dictionary ID. The next data source is product group, product groups. Okay. We need data source materials, dictionary ID to apply, and the last one is dictionary colors and ID. Okay, apply. Save, and now we should link our data source to our elements. For product name, data source is products, attribute name. For product groups, it's a drop-down list. We should select source of data display, product group, attribute to display name, and data source products, attribute group. Produced, it's a checkbox. Data source products, attribute produced. Apply. Image. Okay. Unit cost, data source products, attribute unit cost. Okay. Apply. Do the same for size attribute. Drop down list materials. Source of data display materials dictionary, attribute name. And data source products, attribute materials. Great, the next one is colors element. Description. And production start date. Okay, and now we should add parameter to this form to link our products dictionary with our parameters. Set the name, for example, product ID, default value 1. It means the first item bed frame with ID 1. And let's add the filter for our data source products by our parameter. I can copy it from the template and paste it here. Attribute ID, it's an attribute of our dictionary, and parameter ID 1, we can see it here with the JSON editor ID 1. Apply. Okay, save. And now we can see the properties of our first product bed frame. For our save button, we should add action to save data in our dictionary. Add template save, and let's call it save. Okay, apply. And for our element save button, we should add actions by clicking save. Apply. Save. Okay. Now we can change the data here, for example, unit cost, materials, colors, and for example, production start date, and we can save it. Great. Also, in the constructor, we can see how the form will look on different screens. Well, it was about how to create a form with item attributes. Thank you for your attention.